When it comes to self-publishing children's picture storybooks, customer reviews can play a crucial role in getting book sales. In this day and age, customer feedback is king, and most shoppers rely on that feedback to help them determine whether or not your book is worth purchasing. And if you haven't watched it yet, my last video walks you step by step through how to get those first initial reviews on your KDP books on Amazon, and I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one, as well as in the description section below. So you would think at first glance, the more reviews you get, the better, right? But the truth of the matter is, when it comes to Amazon customer reviews, most shoppers will never read past your top 12 reviews, which coincidentally just happens to be how many reviews are usually listed at the bottom of your product page. So even if you have over 1,000 glowing 5-star reviews of your book that fill up page after page of your book's review section, the vast majority of them will never be read. But that doesn't mean they're not valuable. Although a customer may only need to read a few of your reviews in order to make a decision as to whether or not to purchase your book, the amount of ratings you have, as well as the average rating overall, both play a huge role in helping them to make that decision. The higher your rating average is, and the more ratings you have, say a lot about the quality of your book. Most customers are only willing to take the time to leave a review if the book is either really good or really bad, and the vast majority of your customers will usually fall somewhere between those 2 points of view. And this is why most of your customers will never leave a review on your book. But at the end of the day, that customer rating does act as confirmation that your book is in fact worth buying. And if you can get confirmation from a second source, that's even better. And that's where Goodreads comes in. You see, that second confirmation source lets shoppers know that the first confirmation source isn't just a fluke. Your book is now being praised on 2 separate platforms by 2 entirely different groups of people, and that additional confirmation increases the saleability of your book. So in this video, I'm going to start by showing you how to set up an author page on Goodreads. Then I'm going to show you how to get your first initial book reviews, as well as how to link your overall Goodreads review rating to your Amazon product page. So if you're someone who's been looking for a way to boost your book's visibility, as well as strengthen customer confidence when it comes to buying your book, then stick around. Hey guys, Craig here. Hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is create an account on Goodreads, if you don't already have one. Just know that this will not create an author page for you. It's just giving you access to Goodreads. And to open your account, all you have to do is give them your name, an email address, and then create a password. The email address that you use to create your Goodreads account should be the same email address that you give out to your readers. In other words, only use an email address that you make available to the public and that is related to your self-publishing business. If you don't currently have an email account that is designated to your self-publishing business, then create one. You can just use a free Gmail account. Okay, so once you've created your account, you'll have a home page. Now, I'm not going to go into all the things that you can do on Goodreads in this video. I'm going to stick to talking about the author page. But just know that from your home page, you can search for books that you've read or are currently reading, and you can add them to your book list as well as review them. And once you've reviewed a few books, you'll be able to see those reviews under your My Books tab. And just know that there are a lot of other things you can do on Goodreads as well, like get book recommendations, join book giveaways, find new releases, read author interviews, as well as join different book groups and discussions. You can even ask your favorite authors questions. Now, to create an author profile, you're going to have to join the Goodreads author program. To do that, just go down to the bottom of the page and click on the author link. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to the section Claim Your Profile Today. Applying to the program is very simple. All you have to do while you're logged into your Goodreads account is enter in either the ISBN or ASIN number from one of your books being sold on Amazon. Or you can enter your name or the title of one of your books into the Search Books text box. Then just hit the Enter key. If you enter in your own name, any books being sold on Amazon under your name should appear in the search results. If you enter in your book's ASIN or ISBN number, your exact book should show up in the search results. And if you enter in your book's title, any books being sold on Amazon with that title or a similar title should also appear in the search results. Now, if after doing one of these 3 options, your book isn't showing up in any search results, it's probably because it just hasn't been entered into the Goodreads library yet. This happens quite often when a book is fairly new. All you have to do in this situation is just enter your book into the Goodreads library manually. To do that, simply click on the manually add a book link and then just fill out as much information as you can. Technically, you only need to give them the information that has the little red asterisk next to it. They should be able to find your book on Amazon based on that information alone. But the more information that you give them, the faster your book will be entered into the Goodreads library. When it comes to the sort by title, this will only be different than your title if your book title starts with the word the. So in my case, with the title Who Stepped in the Poo, the title and the sort by title would be the same. But if my book was titled The Gunslinger, then my sort by title would be Gunslinger the. All of this information is available on your book's Amazon product page. You can even add an image of your book's front cover in this section as well. Once you've finished filling everything in, just click the Create Book button. It shouldn't take more than 24 hours for your book to be entered into the library. Now, if your book does show up in the search results, just click on your name under your book's title. Now, in my case, I'm already a Goodreads author, so this will just take me to my author profile. But if you don't have an author profile yet, that link will take you to a page that's displaying all of your books currently being sold on Amazon. What you want to do now is scroll down the page until you get to this line here. It's asking if this author is you. If these are your books, just click on the Let Us Know link. From here, you'll be sent to a page where you'll be asked to give some additional information to complete your Goodreads author profile. Just fill in whatever information that you want to share publicly on your profile. When it comes to your biography, you can just copy and paste your biography from your Amazon author page. Okay, now this is important. When it comes to your official website, you have to have an author's website to be able to join the Goodreads author program. You can't just use a Facebook page or an Instagram page or even a YouTube channel as your official website. It has to be a dedicated website for you as an author. Now, if you don't have one, don't freak out. You can create a free one really quickly using Google Sites. You can just choose one of their templates, or you can just build one from scratch. It doesn't have to be a complex website either. It can just be a landing page. My site has my logo at the top, my top-selling book's description and photo, as well as a link to my book on Amazon at the bottom of the text. Then as you scroll down, you get the photo, title, and a link to all of my other books. And all of these links take you directly to each book's individual Amazon product page. At the very bottom of the page, I have a Contact Me section with my email address. It's extremely important that this email address listed here is the same email address that you use to create your Goodreads account with. If the two email addresses are different, you won't get accepted into the author program. Now, I also added in an About page, which has an extremely old photo of me, along with a biography from my Amazon author page. And I added a third page with a link to some of my videos that pertain to self-publishing from my YouTube channel. All you really need is the first page. You could include your author profile on this page, and your entire website could just be one landing page. And just know that these websites are super simple to build. Everything is just drag and drop. So if you want to add a picture and some text, then just drag a content block onto your page. Once you've done that, you can add in some text and upload a video or image to go with the text. Trust me, you'll be able to build this site in under an hour. Once you've published your site, just copy the URL from the published site and paste it into the text box of your Goodreads Author Profile's official website. After that, you're going to be asked to pick 3 separate genres for the type of books that you create, and you'll also be able to upload your profile picture here as well, if you want to. Then, just hit the Save button. If there aren't any problems, then your author profile should be live within 48 hours. Now, once your profile is live, there are a lot of features on it, and you can just go through these yourself whenever you get some time. But just know that readers will be able to follow you or friend you, just like on Facebook. And if you allow them, they'll also be able to ask you questions. You can also upload videos if you have a YouTube channel. One of the things that I really like about Goodreads is that you can respond to people who leave reviews on your books. Not everyone allows comments on the reviews, so you can only leave comments on the reviews from the readers who enable this feature. And that's a great feature because it really helps you build a community around your books. It just makes the whole review process a little more personal. Okay, so once your author profile is up and running, now it's time to get some reviews on your books. Each of your books will have its own separate page. At the top left of the page, you'll have your book's thumbnail, the option for readers to add your book into their library of books they want to read, as well as options to purchase your book or leave a review on your book if they've already read it. At the top center of the page, you'll have your book's title, your author name, your book's overall review rating, as well as the description of your book. Now below that, the readers will be given a little bit more information about your book, as well as be told which formats your book is available to be purchased in. You'll also have a section on this page that shows you how many people have shelved your book to read later, as well as how many people are currently reading your book. Next, you'll have your author biography, followed by a list of books from other authors that some of your readers have also read. And then at the bottom of the page, you'll have your book's reviews and ratings. Okay, so when you first start out, you're not going to have any reviews on your books. Now you can promote your Goodreads book listing by simply copying and pasting the page URL on different social media sites. You could also purchase advertising on Goodreads to help promote your book on the platform, but I'm not going to go into that in this video. From my experience, one of the best ways to get those first initial reviews on your book is by simply getting your book into the hands of readers, and the easiest way to do that is by simply giving it away. Now there are two ways that you can go about doing this. If your book is available in a Kindle ebook format and enrolled in the KDP Select program, you can run a 7-day free promotion on your ebook and then just publicize the free promotion on the Goodreads platform throughout different groups. There are many free book giveaway groups that allow you to promote your book during these types of promotions. The great thing about doing a free ebook promotion this way is that it doesn't cost you anything. There are no fees attached to doing a 7-day free ebook promotion on Amazon, and it doesn't cost you anything to publicize your ebook promotion within these giveaway groups. The downside of promoting your ebook this way is that these groups don't really get a lot of traffic. I did a 7-day free promotion for my book Who Stepped in the Poo, which I had listed in 5 different book giveaway groups, and I think I received about 15 downloads and just 1 rating on my book. So I didn't even get 1 review out of that. Now you can promote a free giveaway like that on other social media platforms as well, which will result in additional downloads of your ebook. But those additional downloads won't necessarily convert to reviews on your book's Goodreads page. And that's what you're striving for here. Now, what I've found to be the best option for getting reviews on Goodreads is to hold a book giveaway. This is a contest that is held by Goodreads, which is owned by Amazon, by the way, that people can join for the chance to win a free copy of your book. And you can give away your book in any format that you want. But know this, the cost to run the giveaway is exactly the same for all formats. But when it comes to paperback and hardcover book giveaways, when the contest is over, you'll be given a list of the winners of the contest as well as their delivery addresses. It will then be up to you to purchase the appropriate number of author copies from Amazon and to ship those copies to the winners at your own expense. So it can be very costly to give away your books in a physical format. Now, when it comes to giving away ebooks, the cost to run the giveaway is exactly the same, only you'll be able to give away 100 copies of your ebook at no additional cost to you for either the ebooks or for the delivery. So the more cost-effective way to do this type of giveaway is to use the Kindle ebook format. Okay, so to create a giveaway, simply go up to the Browse tab at the top of the page and down to Giveaways. Once you've created a giveaway, your book will be listed in this section just like all of these other books here. And just know that readers can filter these book listings by the type of book that they're looking for. Now, compared to listing a free Amazon promotion in a giveaway group, this method gets 1,000 times more traffic. Trust me, you'll have no problem getting 100 readers to sign up to get a free copy of your book using this method. In fact, you'll probably have hundreds or even thousands of readers sign up to your giveaway. So to actually create a giveaway for your book, just click the List a Giveaway link in the right-hand menu. From this page, you'll have to decide which format of your book you want to give away. Again, when it comes to physical books, you, the author, are responsible for purchasing and shipping all of the books to the contest winners. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the Kindle option. Next, you'll have to let them know whether you're a publisher or an author. If you're self-publishing with KDP, just choose author. Now, when it comes to the 2 package options, this premium option is designed more for authors who are already well known. By sending the people who don't win a free copy of your book a personalized email after the contest is over, you can actually gain more readers for your email list if you promote them properly. But if you're not currently collecting emails from your readers, the standard package will do just fine. Okay, so once you choose a package, you're going to have to give Goodreads some information. Stuff like when you want your giveaway to start and finish. Just know that your contest must be between 15 and 30 days in length. And it can't begin any sooner than 3 days from the day that you create the contest. Goodreads needs a little time to review your contest to make sure that everything is in order. Next, you'll be asked what the release date of your book was, which country you want the contest to be available in, as well as how many copies of your ebook you want to give away. Always go with a maximum of 100 on this. You'll also have the option to leave a custom message here. Just know that your book's description from your Amazon product page is going to appear right below this custom message on your giveaway advertisement. This is a great place to ask for a review of your book. You can say something like, if you win a free copy of my book, please consider leaving a review of it on Goodreads. I would love to hear from you. Next, you'll have to pick the categories that you want your giveaway to be listed in, as well as give Goodreads some additional contact information. Once you've done that, just click the Next button. This will give you a summary of your contest details, as well as the option to pay for the giveaway using your Amazon account. Once you've paid for it, you'll actually get to see what your giveaway listing is going to look like to Goodreads readers. Just know that you can alter the details of your giveaway up until the time that your contest starts. Once your giveaway starts, your book will be listed in the giveaway section on Goodreads and readers will be able to start entering it. And you'll also be able to see how many readers have entered your giveaway throughout the entire contest period on your giveaway listing. A little piece of advice: the longer you run your contest for, the more people that are likely to enter it. This giveaway is not just about putting your ebook into the hands of 100 readers. It's about making the hundreds and even thousands of readers who enter your giveaway aware that your book even exists. The longer you run that contest for, the more people that will learn about your book, and the more potential you'll have for making organic sales after your giveaway is over. So run your contest for the full 30 days. From my experience, less than 25% of the people who win a copy of your book will either rate or review it. So unless your book is absolutely phenomenal, don't expect to get a review for every book that you gave away. Doing these types of book giveaways will also help you gain followers on your author profile as well. Okay, now for the million-dollar question. How do you get your Goodreads overall rating to appear on your book's Amazon product page? This is the easy part, because you don't have to do anything. Once your Goodreads book ratings grow to over 20 ratings, and usually around 15 reviews, your overall rating score will automatically appear on your Amazon product pages in both the US and in Canada. Now, as of this date, I don't believe that the Goodreads rating is offered on any other Amazon product pages in any other countries. And that's all there is to it. Creating an author profile on Goodreads can be a great way to not only promote the books you're selling on Amazon, but to improve their saleability by boosting customer confidence with the additional rating display. Now, if you'd like more information about self-publishing in general, my playlist Self-Publishing 101 has everything you need to get your self-publishing business up and running today. And I'll put a link to that playlist at the end of this video, as well as in the description section below. And again, if you want to see how to get those first initial reviews of your book on Amazon, I have a video that walks you step by step through how to do that as well. And you can find a link to it right here. Until next time, take care.